today's a little something different. I'm here to spew to you all of the lessons that I've learned from my clients in the last 3 to 5 years when it comes to YouTube, with my monkey, my dog, and my cat, that my cat's hidden behind my silver play buttons. A set or somewhere that you are guaranteed to record videos is an absolute bonus. I'm very lucky that this is my little corner officey thing, right, where it's not huge. I can control the audio, I can control the light, I can make it look pretty. And as you've seen over the last few months or year or so, it was ugly, and I've just, as long as you've got somewhere that you can record your content on a regular basis, that you can upload on a regular basis, then people will forgive you. As long as they can see you, as long as they can hear you, and as long as you can control most of the environment, then that's fine. Or just, in all honesty, any form of content is better than none at all. One of the things that I conned myself into over the last couple of years is that I absolutely insisted that it had to be heavy editing, that it had to look funny or funky or whatever, right? But in the last couple of months, there is truly a place for 4K video. There is truly a place for lots of cutscenes, lots of B-roll, lots of overlays. There truly is, right? But don't let that rob you of uploading any content at all. Some of the most engaging content I've seen is the organic stuff, where people are walking places, or they're doing it in between tasks. They're going to pick up the kids, or they're in the airport. Okay, as long as you've got a valuable lesson to give or a entertaining thing to give to the people, then it doesn't matter where you are as long as you are uploading. And then this is the thing that I've fallen down on recently: consistently uploading. Now, yes, you've heard it 50 million times before, 2 times a week, 3 times a week. It's more of a case of when you can, really. I've started a channel recently which is tracking my weight loss. I'm going on the GLP-1 jabs, in this case Monjuro, but most of you might know it as Ozempic or Webound, Zepbound, those kind of things. Now, I've been very active on that channel because I've just found a place I can record, I can very quickly edit them, and I can put them up. And I've been very much well considered on there. Why? Because I was just focused on making rather than polishing things to perfection. And that way I was able to upload stuff. Feel free, by the way, there's a link in the description down below, or you can go to Alan Spicer is Losing It on YouTube. Go and say hello. But what I found is, because I've been able to create content, I can spew to a camera, I'm in a kind of pretty-ish environment. It was easy to do so, and I could upload on a consistent basis, and it's growing the community slowly, but I'm active, which is brilliant. The community is absolute key. There's no point in having thousands and thousands of subscribers. There are some clients of mine that have millions of subscribers, but next to no engagement, or they get lots of video views, but it doesn't convert to anything. There's no point in having 1.2, 1.3 million subscribers if you can't get them to engage with your business model. Are they clicking on your affiliate links? Are they sharing your videos? Are they buying the services that you are providing? If that's your business model and people aren't engaging, then you might as well have no subscribers at all. It's much better to have a potent audience. I would much rather have 2, 3, 4, 5,000 subscribers that watch every single one of my videos and buys absolutely everything that I ever promote multiple times. And that's why the community is key. Talk to your audience, engage with your audience, give them the answers that they need, because if you look after them, they'll look after you. I've made so many friends through just my YouTube comments. I've met a large group of people at events that I've gone to, have walked up and gone, "Hey, you're Alan. Hey, great. Your content's really helpful." That's what truly matters to me here. Don't get me wrong. These are very good for my career, and they help me with my CV, and they help me land clients, right? But at the end of the day, engaging with a decent community will be worth so much more to you personally, mentally, and financially in the long run. When I'm talking about engaging, when it comes to business in itself, one of the lessons that I learned is show, don't tell. If you really want someone to go and check out your product or your service, and instead of just going, click on the link below, You show them where the link is by going to the description, you click on it, you go through to the website that people are signing up to, you show them how to sign up and how to add it to a cart and how to check out. Why? Because a lot of people are goldfish memories. A lot of people's attention spans are 0, or they are overly worried about safety on the internet. And what they do is they click on the link and go, oh, this doesn't look quite right. And then they stop doing it. If you're holding the hand through the whole process of signing up to an affiliate program or buying a service and package, then it earns trust and hopefully they don't get lost along the way. Tools. Now, this is a mini section within this video. Make it easy on yourself. I'm using StreamYard at the moment because I can turn on my webcam, I can record, I can frame it, I can throw up stuff on my screen using like their dashboardy thing. I can invite people in if I want guests. I can arrange things in the screen, whatever I want. Okay. I can then wait for it to process the video and download it and then very quickly cut things. This is the thing that I've learned in the last couple of months that, yeah, I can, as you might see on Alan is losing it, Alan Spicer is losing it, my weight loss channel. As you can see, it's more of a case of I know that I can very quickly make content. I can hit record, I can talk about things, I can hit stop, I can edit it quickly, I can upload it. StreamYard is a very good tool, and it's even better if you're doing streaming services as well, because it's all done through a browser and you don't have to worry about the bitrate and stuff like that, because it'll help you with it. Adding that along with Creative Fuel for things like titles, descriptions, tags, video ideas, and research. It'll even help you write scripts and find affiliate programs, and then making it look pretty with something like Canva. All of those are services online. So I can use those when I'm in a hotel. I can use them when I was traveling. I can save space on my laptop. Everything makes it easier. Each one of those kind of takes the weight off of me. If I have an idea for a video, I can put it in a Creative Fuel. It will take that one idea and give me 10, 20 ideas that I can polish up and deliver perfectly. It would even rate the script and help me work my way through how it should look, how it should feel, what I should say. And Canva's been an absolute eye-opener over the last year and a half, 2 years. My thumbnails are now primarily made in Canva. And once you get used to the system, it really does help you with the shading, with the styles, with templates. I create templates for a couple of my clients. I've been creating thumbnails for myself on here and on my other channels. It's great for mock-ups if I need help showing a client how things should look or feel. And I've given up on PaintShop Pro, I've given up on Photoshop, and I'm now using Canva. Also, if you're not fantastic at Canva, you can go and find Canva templates, not only the ones that are loaded on Canva, but the ones that people will do for you. Should you want, you know, a media kit or a product like to make pretty, and you can use those templates over and over again. It's drag and drop, and there's no affiliate scheme to this. You have to be invited to Canva, so I'm not going to make any money, but, you know, go and check out Canva. I really would. And these other tools. Make it easier on yourself. YouTube Shorts. I've always known that they're a powerful tool, and they always do get more views outside your YouTube channel's current ecosystem. But I've always found with my ADHD that I make a load, I upload a load, I schedule them to go out, and then I forget to do some more. This is where I make sure that I'm using like a social media tool. There's like Opus Clip, Taj, CapCut, those kind of things. Another one is Syllabi, where you can make the YouTube Shorts and then you can also schedule them out in advance. And that's really helped me now. So I'm ahead on my YouTube Shorts all the way up into the middle of April right now on 2 channels, all because I've created them, I've auto-scheduled them, and then it deals with it all on itself. That way I can put out content, I can continually engage with my audience, I can continually upload stuff consistently, and then people won't forget me. Or in the case of a new channel, it can continue to alert people that this new channel exists and gain more eyes on that product, which in turn leads to more hopefully committed people within the community to purchase things via affiliates. I initially joined YouTube and the idea was like, let's see how much money you can make with AdSense. Why? Because AdSense was this golden goose that everybody was talking about. In all honesty, AdSense is okay, but you'll find that most large creators make more money outside of AdSense because there's more money to be made there. If you're willing to do a little bit of additional legwork and you find an affiliate program, say Creative Fuel, and you push more and more people to that thing, you'll get 50% of every payment that's ever made going forward. So once you've laid that bedrock, it pays itself back time and time and time again. It generates multiple streams of income. And that's truly the thing that you need when it comes to social media. When I first started on YouTube, not only was I running with the AdSense, but I'd try and go out and find 1 or 2 clients. But you'll find that every now and then you'll lose one of these people, or something will go wrong. And having one source of income is very dangerous. It's like only having one job, losing that one job. Now who's paying all of those bills? If you're doing social media, if you're making content online, if you want to earn some form of income, make sure that there's multiple people paying you per month. Whether it's clients, whether it's affiliates, whether it's sponsorships, whether it's the channel, whether you have got a part-time job outside YouTube. That way, if one disappears, you've got more time to win it back or find something to replace it. I'm lucky enough now that I've got a few things on the juggle at any one time right now, and that's meant less stress for me and a little bit more stability for my family. But that's after 10 years of creating content on YouTube and even longer on social media. One of the ultimate tips that I always found is I've always edited my own content, always. And I've always wanted a video editor to help me, but I wasn't willing to commit an additional wage to my overhead. So what I did is I learned a very powerful thing, which was fast editing with Adobe Premiere Pro. And in all honesty, once you learn just how to remove filler and automatically cut out pauses, it makes your life so much easier. And there's a video on that right here. Thank you. I'll see you soon.